Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making the toolbox lighter and accessible. Empty drawers until each handhold is reachable. Once done, set your feet hip-width apart, bend at the knees, and grip the box with both hands. This uses leg muscles instead of your back. Keep the toolbox close to your torso as you rise, and exhale while straightening. Make sure to test the weight with a small lift before committing to a full carry. This prevents surprises and reduces strain on your lower back. You now navigate entryways and corridors. First, visualize and clear the path, noting narrow doorways or stairs. Once prepared, pivot by moving your feet, turn the whole body, not by twisting at the waist, because that protects your spine. If the toolbox feels over 50 to 60 pounds, use a dolly or ask a partner to share the load. This distributes weight and prevents drops. Keep communicating with helpers and move deliberately, pausing when needed to reset You finish by lowering the toolbox using your legs. Bend the knees, keep the box close, and set it down in a controlled motion, then release your grip slowly. If you place it on an uneven patch, use wedges or blocks to stabilize and prevent tipping. If something goes wrong, like a stuck drawer or unexpected weight, stop, set the toolbox down, remove more contents, and reassess the route. If needed, call for a second person or dolly to avoid injury and damage.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.